Hello everyone. Today we will see how we can do subtotal in Microsoft Excel. So let's start. We will use this data set to do this subtotal. We can see here is a month-wise revenue by different teams in our organization. September In the month of September, Team A earned this revenue, Team B this one, and Team C this much. So this is September data, October data. So uh, a few months data is available here by different teams. So to do subtotal, we have to select the whole data set. Then from data menu, you have to go to subtotal. Then this box will appear. uh, First, from this option, it is saying at each change in, these three columns are given. Here we have to select uh, how we want to see the data. I have selected month, that is I want to see the data month wise. Then what function I uh, can use. I'm currently using sum. I want to uh, see the total value, then add subtotal to. That means which column I should uh, use this function. Okay, I'm using revenue because the other two are text columns, and I want to do it based on revenue. Okay, so now click OK. You will see our data is looking like this. Okay, so team A's September revenue this one, team B September revenue is this, and team C's September revenue this, and total September revenue is this by all the teams. Okay, so this is how the data is arranged. Here we can see one, two, three. Here, this actually break down the data in few ways. If we select one, then it will show only the grand total. That is all the months revenue by all the teams. So only one data will be shown, that is grand total. If we select two, we will see every month's total will be given along with the grand total. Okay, and if we select three, then it will break down to the maximum level. That is, we will see every month's data by every team. So this is how we can do the subtotals. And uh, now if we want to remove the subtotal, then what should we do? We should select the whole data. Then from the data menu, we should go to subtotal to have this dialog box. Here we can see there is an option called remove all. If we click on this, our data will go back to its original shape. Okay, so this is how subtotals work in Excel. There are several other ways that are available to do subtotals, but for now I'm showing this. So that's all for today.